Understanding the phrase, the devil to pay. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English idiom, the devil to pay. Often, English phrases aren't just about the words themselves but the history and story they carry. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also where it comes from and how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's unravel this mysterious phrase together. The phrase, the devil to pay, is an idiomatic expression used to indicate that there is going to be trouble or a difficult situation ahead. It doesn't involve any real devils, but it's a way to express that someone is about to face serious consequences or hardships. It's often used to hint at the severity or the challenges of the situation rather than literal payment or devils. The phrase is believed to have nautical origins. One explanation relates to the seam on a wooden ship called the Devil. This was the longest seam of the ship, and it was extremely difficult and dangerous to pay, meaning to waterproof this seam with tar. Hence, having the devil to pay was a sailor's way of describing a very challenging task, often considered a punishment or an extremely unpleasant job. Using idiomatic expressions like the devil to pay can add flair to your language. It's used to imply impending trouble or a tough situation. For example, if I don't get this project done by tomorrow, there'll be the devil to pay with my boss. He realized that by ignoring the warnings, there would be the devil to pay later. Remember, this phrase is quite dramatic, so it's usually reserved for situations where the speaker wants to emphasize the severity of the consequences. While the devil to pay is not the most common expression in modern English, it's still used, especially in literary contexts or by people who enjoy colorful, expressive language. Sometimes, you might hear variations like, there'll be hell to pay, which carries a similar meaning. And there you have it, a deep dive into the intriguing phrase, the devil to pay. We've uncovered its meaning, origins, and how you can weave it into your own conversations to add a bit of historical flair. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions not only helps in understanding the language better but also in appreciating the rich cultural tapestry behind the words. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, we look forward to helping you navigate the fascinating world of the English language in our next video. Happy learning, and see you soon!